welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to review SPASCRIPTIONS Clay and Gel Face Mask. This whole package, it comes with 1 clay mask and 2 gel masks, plus a mask applicator, and only retails for $7, which I was like, what? You can apply a single mask on your entire face, or you can combine each mask on your face, which is something that I'm gonna be doing today. The first one is the clay face mask. This one is a deep cleansing mask. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and E. Once a week, you can apply this mask to detox your entire skin. The second mask, it is a gel mask. This one is the Dead Sea Minerals, which is a great option to treat dryness. It will nourish, moisturize, and improve skin clarity. I see this one perfect to apply once a week during winter because we kind of get a little bit dry. And the last one, it's the charcoal gel face mask. The charcoal mask is perfect for treating oily skin and acne or acne prone skin. This mask, it says that it's specifically to unclog the pores. It is actually perfect to apply like 2 times a week on areas where you tend to have more blackheads, whiteheads. This one will help you to unclog those pores and remove those impurities out of your skin. The mask applicator, it looks like great quality. So scoop a good amount of the product, spread evenly over the face, avoiding your eyes and lip area. I'm gonna be applying the clay face mask on my cheeks because they tend to get greasy. The charcoal mask on the T-zone, which is the areas that I get the most white and blackheads. With the fingers is a little bit better. And the Dead Sea Minerals on the sides of my forehead and my neck, which are the areas where I tend to get the most dried. By the way, this product, it is for all skin types except sensitive skin. Also be careful in case you are allergic to one of the ingredients listed in the product. Each mask, it is a 15-minute facial therapy. Make sure that you leave the mask for at least 10 minutes and no longer the 15 minutes because leaving it longer could cause an allergic reaction. I absolutely love the clay face mask. The moment I opened it, it didn't have like a very weird smell. It works amazing with the mask applicator. I mean, I just like grab a small amount and it glide on the skin. Super easy. It wasn't difficult at all. And removing the clay face mask was very easy. My skin, it looks and it feels very clean and smooth. I can tell you this clay face mask actually detox your skin. Are the pores on my nose unclogged? No. I absolutely think the charcoal, it is a waste of time and it's a waste of money. They should have made the charcoal one as a peel-off mask to be a little bit more effective removing white and blackheads than as a gel. It was really difficult to apply it with the mask applicator. At the end, I used my fingers because it was all over the place. But I have to give it a point. It doesn't dry out your skin. What about the Dead Sea Minerals Gel Face Mask? Does my forehead feels soft and hydrated? It doesn't feel like it's insanely hydrated as other masks, but it's decent for the price. This one to me is the best smell so far. And then the other thing about the Dead Sea Minerals, around the 10 minutes I felt a little bit uncomfortable on my neck. And to be honest, I still feel a little bit of a funny sensation. The 3 masks are really easy to rinse it off. I didn't have much of a problem. So what I did to rinse it off, splash cold water. I started removing the mask with my hands. And when I didn't have any mask residues on my skin, I apply a mild cleanser just to make sure to remove 100% any residues from the mask. First impression, I do think it is worth it. You get a cool mask applicator. Oh my god, I broke it. You get a very thick, very nice clay face mask, so why not?
If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. See you guys next week. Pura vida!